Asus has introduced us to smartphones with massive batteries. Now, another battery king smartphone will be unveiled scheduled tomorrow, named the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Before its official market release, we got our hands on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 to test it out in a full review and some comparisons. But before that, here's our unboxing and first impressions of this device. Hey guys, this is Daniel from Manila Shaker. The latest Zenfone Max Pro M1 comes with a regular rectangular box with the smartphone's model written at the front and a holographic logo of their "We Love Photos" slogan written on both sides of the box. At the back are some information about the phone, such as its specs. Opening the box, we'll see the silicone case on the first layer with user guides inside the mini box. On the next layer is the Zenfone Max Pro M1 smartphone, and underneath are the phone's essentials that include the Asus earphones, USB 2.0 charging cable, together with the adapter. It's built with an aluminum mid-frame and a metal alloy back that is prone to fingerprint smudges that are difficult to wipe off. It also has a vertically aligned dual camera with an LED flash and a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. The volume rockers, power button, and SIM tray that houses a dual SIM card and dedicated microSD card slot are then positioned at the sides of the phone. Above the display are the earpiece, notification light, front-facing camera shooter, along with a flash, proximity, and an ambient light sensor. Lastly, at the bottom, we'll see the headphone jack, USB 2.0 charging port, and a speaker grill. The phone measures 159mm by 76mm by 8.5mm and it weighs 180 grams. Looking at the design, it's not that different from the Asus Zenfone Max M1. The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 features a 5.99-inch IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2160 pixels. It also has an aspect ratio of 18:9. As I was browsing at the settings, I noticed the night light mode in the display. It tints your screen amber, which makes it easier to look at the screen and read in dim lighting. This feature is helpful for those who like to browse so that these users won't be having difficulties in falling asleep. Honestly, when I laid my eyes on this phone, the first thing that caught my eye is the screen display. I just wish that Asus added a protection on the screen so that it will be scratch-free. Nonetheless, this phone gives the user a great visual experience, which I think is an ideal device for binge-watching movies and series. Going to the camera department, the Zenfone Max Pro M1 carries a dual 13MP plus 5MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera. Here are some sample shots. Under the hood, the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 along with an Adreno 509 GPU and an octa-core processor clocked up to 1.8 GHz. It comes with a RAM and storage variant of 3GB of RAM plus 32GB of internal storage. The smartphone is also fueled by a massive 5000 mAh battery and runs on the latest Android 8.1 Oreo. The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 is available in the color black and is priced at 9,995 pesos. The smartphone is currently available for pre-order in Lazada. Once again, this has been Daniel from Manila Shaker. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it and do subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching!